Hey everybody, welcome to Go for Green Living. And I'm in my barn. I guess the turkey's on this. I'm in my barn because today I want to give a special tribute to Arnold, or PigPig, his name. We were friends.
Hi baby, are you done drinking water from the pond now? Where's sweetie pie? Where's Piggy? Hi.
And it's going to be missed dearly. So I want to give y'all a little bit of an update and let you know what's going on with the situation, and actually what more of the backstory about PigPig.
So Arnold has been with us now for... How long has Arnold been here, Daniel? 2 weeks? 3 weeks? Is it a month already? Oh, you made a mess out here today, didn't you, baby? Okay, so Arnold turned out as a... long story short, he is a community pig, and because there is no fences and he's roaming, he's been attacked by dogs or something.
Okay, this is the backstory of PigPig, who we called Arnold because we didn't know his name when he first came up. His name, they called him PigPig, but they got him as a piglet, a fixed piglet. It was a boy, but he was fixed, and he was a TV couch boy. You know, he had his own blanket in front of his TV, and he grew up that way in front of a TV. You know, that's all he knew. Growing up in front of a TV, laying on his blanket and everything. But then he grew up. He got big. So they gave him the boot. And tried to put him in a pen, you know, behind their house. They put him in there. You could hear him screaming from here. You know, me and Root could hear him. You know, we always wondered what was going on, but it was just he was adjusting. So anyway, he finally got big enough that they couldn't pin him up. You know, and so he came over here. He came over here, and he was skinny. He was skinny. He was hungry, and he asked Root and and Grunt and boys, that can he sleep in the barn, and could she feed him? Because she's a Snow Whiter, and you know how that is. So she said yes, but she didn't realize that he was talking about from now on. So he came down here. He cracked him open some hay. He took all the bags. He went and got all the cardboard he could find and brought down here and put in here and made himself a little bed. And he kind of protected the barn. You'd hear him when you walk in the door. He'd go, like, what are you doing here? Well, he was staying here, and we were feeding him everything we could. I mean, the poor boy, we're getting him fat. We got him really fat, actually. He was in very good condition. And then one day we come home, and after we've been gone we went somewhere, and we were gone for several hours. We come back, and we couldn't find PigPig. What happened to PigPig? He wasn't here in the barn. He wasn't here. And then the next day, he comes limping up. He had these big gashes on his leg. I'm talking about bad gashes.
And we've been trying to heal him. We got antibiotics and a spray thing, so now he's healing pretty well. But this is what happens when you don't take care of the animal. I mean, I've sprayed him now, and he's healing up, but he had an infection, and this was looking really bad. And well, he is healing. We're feeding him a lot. He sleeps in the barn. And today, Arnold is going to go to his new forever home. Yes, because he's going to go to a place where he can be safe, where he can eat a lot of good yummy food, and where he can play. You're going to meet your friends, Arnold? Yes, it's a girl and a boy, I think. Yes, and they are used to being loved on, and you love to be loved, don't you, Arnold? Yes, and I think they're good with food too because they're a breakfast family, so they must be awesome eaters, I guess.
Immediately, we called the vet and got penicillin for him and that spray, you know, and he started healing. You know, over time he started healing. He just kind of moved slow, and he kind of complained, "Oh, I'm hurt, I'm hurt, I'm hurt," and we knew. But as he started feeling better, he started feeling more of himself. And when I would go get chicken food, and so I would take some chicken food to all the different chickens, and he was right in front of me to be like wagging his tail, "Please give me some of that." So I always make sure I'd give him some of that, and he'd always want a little head rub and a belly rub. I mean, literally the friendliest pig I have ever seen in my life. Wanted to make PigPig a community pig so everybody could feed him, everybody could love on him, and he could just, you know, be happy pig, and everybody could help watch out for him. Yeah, so anyway, we just fed him 3 breakfasts, a lunch, and a small dinner, and he was good. He was actually pray for this lady, so that she might feel remorse for what she did, so that maybe she can not kill innocent animals for doing nothing but just walking across her property. You know, so you know, you're all right. You know, in the comments y'all said we should call the police. It wasn't my pig. It was just a visiting pig that we were feeding and let visit. He was my friend. We called him Arnold. Ruts was unconsolable for a full day. It was real hard. She would give him long belly rubs, and he was just an awesome companion, awesome friend. You know, we wish things had been different though. But anyway, this was a tribute to my friend Arnold, and I'm going to miss him terribly. Alright guys, I love you, and I hope this update helped y'all. Hey guys.
Hi baby, are you done drinking water from the pond now? Where's sweetie pie? Hi, Miss Piggy. Hi.